Hello kids, today's video topic is cell wall. Cell wall is non-living, so the bacteria and fungus cannot affect them easily. They are rigid, so it provides hardness to the plant. It is protective, so it protects the plant from mechanical shock, and it is semi-transparent. Cell wall found in plant cells, fungi, and some protists. Algae cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactans, mannose, and calcium carbonate. Galactan and mannose are the polysaccharide. Okay. And fungi cell wall is made up of chitin, and plant cell wall is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectins, and proteins. Okay. So we will see the plant cell wall structure. Plant cell wall is made up of three layers: outer, middle lamella, then primary cell wall and secondary cell wall. Outer middle lamella work like glue. Okay, it hold the neighboring cells together. It is made up of calcium pectate. Okay, so this middle lamella have plasmodesmata. Okay, plasmodesmata are transfers in cell wall, and with the help of plasmodesmata, materials can move from one cell to another. Okay, so when the fruits are raw, they are hard, but when they become ripe, they become soft and fleshy. Okay, so why? It is because of the dissolution of middle lamella. Then below the middle lamella, primary cell wall is present. Okay, this primary cell wall is found in young plant cell where growth take place, where meristematic cells are found. Okay, so it is found in young plant cell. Also, it is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. This pectin fiber helps cellulose and hemicellulose to bind together. Okay, so it provided strength. Now, after the primary cell wall is formed, this primary cell wall is the first formed cell wall. Okay, and after this, when the plant become mature, the growth stop. Then secondary cell wall is produced. Okay, secondary cell wall produced in mature cells where growth is stopped. So when plant is thin, there the primary cell wall is present. But when plant become thicker, where secondary cell wall is present, and secondary cell wall is made up of lignin. Okay, so there's growth can't take place, but it increase the diameter of the plant and provides solidity. Now, if you see the sequence is like this. It is middle lamella. Okay, then it is primary cell wall, and then here is the secondary cell wall. Okay, primary cell wall is made up of single layer and secondary cell wall is made up of many layers. So here in this picture you can see this is cell 1 and this is cell 2. Between both these cell, here is the middle lamella, then this is the primary cell wall. Okay, then this thicker secondary cell wall. Okay, now let's see the function of cell wall. First, it provides shape and rigidity to the cell. Okay, how? See, this is plasma membrane and around it the cell wall is present. Due to the rigid nature of cell wall, the plasma membrane cannot change its shape. Okay, so it provides shape and rigidity to cell. It protects protoplasm from mechanical injury. It counteracts osmotic pressure, so cells do not burst. Okay, and transportation of material take place because the cell wall have, see, this is one cell, this is the other cell. These cell wall have plasmodesmata. Okay, plasmodesmata is present between two cells. So suppose that this cell has extra glucose. Okay, so that extra glucose will move from this cell to another cell with the help of this plasmodesmata. Okay, so that's how transportation of material take place. So the topic is done. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.